There is a huge snowstorm coming our way. Went to the meat section. There was nothing. Can you try walking, please?
Okay, little lady.
So it's the ghosting phase. The lips look very pale. Passenger queue. How is it jam-packed at a pet store? I don't understand. Look how cute this is.
감사합니다. 수고하세요.
There is a huge snowstorm coming our way. I went to Wegmans last night. It was insane. I thought going there right after work would be helpful because I'm on a teacher schedule, you know, so like usually elementary school teachers get out earlier than most working adults. I was so wrong. The aisles were completely cleared. I went to the meat section. There was nothing. I went over to the other aisles. Everything was gone. I was able to score the last pizza. There are like 4 pasta bottles left. The pasta boxes, all gone. There were 3 bagel bags, but so I was able to grab one of them, and it's the sun-dried tomato flavor, which is nice because I've never tried that flavor before. It was crazy.
Let me just wash your blanket yesterday. Okay, go sleepy time. 들어가세요. Go inside. Thank you very much. Let me be right back, okay? Let me get you guys some goodies. Okay, Nina?
It's so cold outside. I think it's 10 degrees right now. I live on the East Coast, and it is insane how people react here when they hear that there's a snowstorm coming. How is it jam-packed at a pet store? I don't understand. I love seeing all the fur babies, like the dogs. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. I had no idea they had like a paw thaw. Every time I walk them, especially my little ones, they get like huge clumps of snow stuck onto them. I do know that they sell boots. I'm gonna show you when I get home in just a bit. That whole aisle was completely cleared. I heard the lady behind me asking about it too, just like how I did. So I like power walked down because there are only a few left and I snatched it.
몸에다가 바르는 거예요? 아, 오케이. 아, 네네. 샘플 많이 줘서 감사합니다. 유명한. 네. 감사합니다. 수고하세요. Stop. I'm so excited.
We just got home. These are the little boots that I was telling you about that were like almost sold out. The good thing about PetSmart is that they have a great return policy. So if these things don't work out for the fur babies, I can still return it. I remember trying these when Skunky was really, really young, but he like refused to walk. Have you ever seen those videos where the dogs like, they try wearing the boots and they walk? Like super funny. And I'm sure it's like really painful for them too to walk and like, you know, when it's really cold outside. The brush that we have, I feel like is a little too rough for, he's so old. Like he's turning 14 and sometimes hubby and I forget how old he really is because he's still such a happy boy. And he has like a little pep in his step, but he's definitely aging. There's signs of it. I feel like the brush that we have is just a little too harsh on his skin. So I got this brush here. It looks a little bit more gentle. I think what Skunky is looking for are these little toys that I got them. Look how cute this is. And then Valentine's Day, Lilo loves the toys that do this little crinkly sound. You want it to? Okay, hold on.
That's a cute boy. You want the frog, Skunky? You want the frog? Take the frog. What do you guys want? Okay. T-Rex, you... Oh, okay. All right, bye-bye. Go, that's your toy. Nina, no heart.
See, there he goes. He loves his toy. Look at him.
You don't like the toy, Lilo? Huh? This is not food. Don't like it. I know, that is so weird, right? Okay. Appa, can you try? Is that funny? Alright. Okay, put your foot down. Can you put your foot down?
You look hilarious.
That's a possum-looking dog. Can you try walking, please? I will. Yeah, practice.
Oh my god.
You can do it. Hi, Dino. 아이고. 아이고. Good job. You can do it. Come on. One more time. Good boy. That's a good boy. Princess Lilo, you princess. Come here, Lilo. 아이고. Come on, Lilo. Practice. Come here, Lilo. Good girl. I know. It's so weird, but I need you to practice because it's gonna snow really bad. Okay, thank you. Yep, you got it. 아이고. Come on, Lilo. Okay, that's a good girl. Yeah, good girl. Can you try this new brush? Mommy wants to see if you're okay with it. Oh. Yeah, shake it off. We're bringing Skunky because he's a daddy's boy and he's really missed daddy, right? Bestest boy.
Skunky's literally the best passenger.
He's so sweet.
There's so much traffic. It's not a holiday weekend, is it? Why are there so many cars at the airport?
He's coming, Skunky. Daddy just texted me. He should be here soon. That's the bestest passenger. A passenger king.
Hi, boy.
Just put him in your lap.
I told you. Oh, hi, boy. It's a good boy.
Oh, I know. You don't like that. I know. Got this from PetSmart today. We like this brand. And also got other Skunkies here all over this. Your little miss. Missy. About to eat the cake that hubby brought from Japan. Layer milk
your
cake.
camera?
And you got me stickers. So cute.
Oh, is your son?
Slowly. You can do it, Lila. You can do it, baby. Yep, nice and slow. Good girl. Come on. You can do it, Lila. You can do it. Okay, little lady.
We are officially day 7 post-healing from my lip blush procedure. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. We're in what's called the ghosting phase. So it's the ghosting phase. As you can see, the lips look very milky and pale. It's almost as if the procedure wasn't done, which is very typical of the healing process. So all throughout this week, it's just going to be really pale.
Oh, hello. You want to say hi?
On day 10, I read that that's when the pigment really starts to like peek through. I will keep you guys posted. Monday, I didn't have to go into work because it was a holiday. On Tuesday, when I went to work, I wore a mask just to protect my lips, and I really started scabbing like quite quickly. It's extremely chapped, extremely dry, kind of itchy. Wednesday, that's when the peeling got even worse, and then it started like coming off, and the worst part is that you can't actually pick it off because that's going to remove the pigment, so you kind of just have to let it hang there. By Thursday, I felt completely fine. Most of the scabs came off on their own. I just had like a really dry sensation. It's just been a really calm, chill, relaxing day. We got a snow day. I'm sure the students are really enjoying that. So today we're just gonna be relaxing, and then I need to catch up on some chores like folding the laundry and then, you know, changing out the bed sheets and washing the comforters and all that stuff. But other than that, we're just gonna be having a nice chill day enjoying the beautiful snow. We're just catching up on some journaling. So I updated my 5-year Hobonichi for the last couple of days. I need to do some YouTube research and update my planner for that. Right now, I'm doing my new layout for the week for the fur babies.